Wow, 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 look at that. Look at that. Obviously needs some TLC there. It's not mounted, but you can see all the body lines are lining up. I gotta get the little side mark. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If it's your first time visiting, please smash that subscribe button, give me a comment below and a like on this video, because your support is super important to me, as it helps me do more work on cars, because I enjoy it. I love cars. I love Saabs. I don't know why. They're great though. It's like one of those things that when you drive them, you'll understand. You'll just understand once you drive it. However, we're rebuilding this 2008 Saab 9.5. I bought it off Copart. I've even already sold the car, not on purpose, but it's staying in the family. I'm happy about that. I can still drive it, maybe even mod it, still have it on the channel. Anyways, today we're gonna start working on the body work. You can see that this is clearly in need of paint, and of course, so is this hood. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so we tested the lights. The headlights are both working except for this one. So everything else is working. Blinker lights, parking lights, as you can see, are working. And before I, mount the fender on completely, we're just gonna put a little top coat on to prevent any of my welds from rusting. So that's what we're gonna do. And then of course, I'll quickly touch up some of the rust spots that are on the front bumper rail, which aren't a big deal either way. We'll make it work. It just a touch. Okay, we put the fender on it. I'm running this because I had a little transmission drip, so I just secured the transmission drip. I'm running it to make sure it's not dripping anymore. So I'm gonna put the fender on it, give it a little buff. What's happening, everybody? This is day number 2 of paint prep. As you can see, I'm not really dressed for the occasion here, but I am going to do some scuffing up of this paint and continue to prep it for some body bondo on some of the dents, fill it, sand it, all that good stuff. So let's do it, guys. Welcome back. A little bit has happened off camera since my battery has died. What you see here is I took the bumper off, sanded everything down, primed it. Hood over here, also sanded everything, primed the areas. I'm waiting for a couple things to be done. I had to resand on something there, so I'm gonna let that dry. So we're gonna go over here. That's been tacked. I'll have to tack it again. Over here, I'm gonna go ahead and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and degrease and tack this so we can get ready for paint. If you guys recall, there was a big crack here that I filled. Looks much better. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be good enough because we make it work here. We make it work. On the bottom, I sanded it down where all the scuffs were. And of course, again, not perfect. You won't be seeing much of it. And it's gonna make it work. So now I'm gonna tack this and prep it, finalize for paint. Paint round one. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we got more paint. This is all ready to go here, so we're gonna go ahead and put our coats on. We're gonna take a break from the bumper for now. Let's have fun. Next up, we'll just do one little clear coat layer on each headlight, make them look a little bit newer than that they were. Should be done. Alright guys, so now that we have our paint done, look at this hood, by the way. Check this hood out. Now, there's some orange peel on that for sure, but we'll buff it out as best we can. But it looks pretty glossy there. So does our bumper. So now we're just gonna start to assemble the fenders and prepare the car for the rest of the bumper and the hood and yada yada yada. So let's do it. If you're still watching for some support, smash that subscribe button, guys. A lot of hours in this thing. Your support is everything, so thank you. Let's do this. Hey, you hear that fan? You hear that fan? That means the air conditioning's working. We did our job. Anyways, let's do it. See that the line there is pretty good. I'm pretty content with that. It's popping out a little bit, so let's try to see if we can adjust the popping out a little bit. Hold on. All right guys, so the fenders are on both sides are on. I'm just aligning up the side skirt here on the driver's side, as you can see. But check out the gap on the fender. Looks perfect. Solid all the way around. Over here as well, you can see it's the same gap. So I'm very happy with this, guys. So let me go ahead now and install the side skirts.